Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar, and today's date is 29 December 2021. And today's video topic is collection framework. So, in a collection framework, the collection in Java is a framework that provides an architecture to store and manipulate the group of objects. Java collection can achieve all operations perform that you perform on a data, such as searching, sorting, insertion, manipulation, and deletion. So Java collection means single unit of object. Collection means single unit of object. Java collection framework provide many interface like set, list, queue, dequeue, and classes. Classes are array list, vector, linked list, priority queue, hash set, link hash set, and tree set. So we will see what a collection in a Java. A collection represents a single unit of object. Example, a group that are example of a collection, single unit object. So what is a framework? Framework is provide to ready-made architecture, means ready-made method provide by JVM. It represents a set of classes and interface. It is optional. It is optional to set a classes to interface. What is a collection framework? Collection framework is represents unified architecture for sorting and manipulation a group of object. Interface and we will see interface and implementations and algorithms. So uh, hierarchy of a collection framework. Let us see hierarchy of a collection framework. The java.util.package contains all the classes and interface for the collection framework. We will see interface classes and which type of implements and extend which type of class extend to other class. So first one is a iterable. Iterable means collection. Collection is divided by three parts. uh, Three parts in class. First is a list, second is a queue, and third is a set. First is a list. List is implements array list, linked list, array list, linked list, vector, and stack. We will see queue. Second part in collection, you will see queue. Queue implements priority queue, and that interface is a dequeue. Dequeue implements array list, linked list, and dequeue. And third part is in collection is a set. Set is a set is a set interface is a sorted set. Sorted set is implements tree set, and main set collection set is implements hash set and linked hash set. So these are the collection framework. Methods in collection interface. So what type of methods? Public boolean add is one of the method in collection framework that is used insert element in a collection. Public boolean remove method, it is used to it is used to delete an element in the collection. uh, Public size is returns total number of element in the collection. So clear method removes total number of elements from the collection. Contains method used to search an element. So is empty, is checks the collection is empty or not. We'll see has next method. It returns if iterator has more elements, otherwise it returns false. Object nest is returns the element moves the cursor pointer to the next element. Public void remove is the element returned by the iterator. It is less used. So that's all about frame collection framework. Thank you.